Okay, children, welcome to our language class. Remember that this is the most beautiful class you have during the day because during this class you learn to speak in English, to read, and many things else. Okay, so let's continue. What are we going to do today? Today we are going to learn a new sound, and this sound is the digraph the sound. In a previous class, we learned ch sound, that it is also a digraph. And we also have sh sound, that is the combination of two letters, but the pronunciation is only one. Okay, so let's see which is the next objective. We're going to see a video, and in this video, we are going to listen the sound that corresponds to the new sound we are learning. The sound, okay? Now, for this sound, that is the combination of two letters, as I told you, the letter t, t, and the letter ha, ha. Here, this has two sounds too. One that is voiced, that means that here you can feel the vibration of your vocal cords. The. And one that is completely voiceless, and here you cannot feel the vibration of the vocal cords. The voiced is when you feel the vibration, okay? And your vocal cords are tensed and held tightly together, and the air passes through them to vibrate and produces voiced sounds. Okay? Now, let's see some examples of this word, of this sound. That. Here, you can put your fingers here in your throat here and pronounce the, that, this, these, either, they, father, those, their, their, them, brother. And here you can feel the vibrations of your vocal cords. But there is another sound that is completely quiet, and and here your vocal cords doesn't vibrate. So because the vocal cords are in a relaxed position, and when the air passes through them, they don't vibrate because they don't put together. Okay, so here we have some examples of this sound. Thank, thank, third, fourth, fifth, ether, teeth, thin, thigh, think, thief, thought, myth. You see the difference? The vocal cords don't vibrate. Now you're going to see a video. And after the video, we are going to continue working. Okay? I invite you to continue with this video. Now that you have already seen the video, let's check the vocabulary that we have. But we are going to have three different steps. Step number 1 is identify the sound. Step number 2 blends the sound. And step number 3 build a sentence. So the word is thimble. Thimble. I, b, l, and the magic E. Thimble. My grandma uses a thimble to see un dedal. Okay? Thumb. Here you have your thumb, the finger. Thumb. Th, b. Thumb. Thumbs up if you liked this new sound. 3. 3. E. I have 3 Beyblades. Thunder, thunder. A, d, e, thunder. Today we will have a storm. I bet it will have thunders. Moth, moth. O, th. The moth is black. Math, math. A, th. Math is my favorite class. Tooth, tooth, tooth. My tooth hurts really bad. Panther, panther. P, a, n, e, panther. The Pink Panther is my favorite show. So now that you have learned this vocabulary and practice it, we are going to do the activity. And this activity is to complete a worksheet. The first part is this one that I am indicating to you here. Number 1, you have to write your full name and date. Number 2, you have to trace the letters here that corresponds to the sound. Number 3, you are going to complete and write the words that corresponds to this drawing and here, okay? And number 4, you have to color the images of the whole worksheet. Now, once you finish part number 1, you continue with part number 2. And what are you going to do? You are going to circle the pictures that have voice the. And you're going to put an X or write an X on the pictures with the unvoiced the. Choose the words that are voiced in TH and write a sentence, okay? 3, you have to choose only one word, and here you are going to write a sentence. And then you're going to choose one word with the unvoiced and write a sentence here. Remember that your handwriting must not be so big, not so small that I cannot see and read your sentences. Once you finish this activity part 1 and part 2, you upload into Seesaw because I want to see your work. Okay, I love you so much. Bye, sweeties. Enjoy this class. I love you.